So I'm going to give y'all some unsolicited but very useful advice, okay? And when I tell you this, there's going to be a whole bunch of people in the comment section say, well, everybody knows that. Not true. Everybody doesn't know this. So this morning, as you know, it's really cold out. Everybody's dealing with this cold. Well, it's pretty cold in Kentucky. Like 5, I think is what it was this morning. Only one tractor on this farm started. This blue one right here. It started. The old green ones, they give me the runt treatment, okay? Now, I've been around this game for a long time, and I was pretty poor growing up. So, I grabbed the tow strap. I threw it around the front axles of that John Deere, that little one I pulled a silage wagon with, and I hooked it to this big blue tractor right here, and I just pull started it. Well, that got me to thinking about a story that happened to me one time. I was walking into a restaurant to eat with my family, and I noticed a group of young boys gathered around this Mustang, this car. And I could tell they was frustrated. They didn't know what to do. So I walked up to them. I said, boys, y'all need any help? They said the car won't start. Can't get the car started. Starter's gone out. We got to call a tow truck. And I just looked in the window. It was a 5-speed. The hillside, the parking lot was on a little bit of a hill. I said, boys, just roll start it and drive it home. They're like, what are you talking about? I said, you push start the car. They said, we don't know what you're talking about. I said, get in the car, put it in 4th or 5th gear. We're going to push you. And when I holler, you pop the clutch. Turn the key on, pop the clutch. They kind of thought I was lying to them. We pushed them about 20 feet. Boom, fired right up, took off. They thanked me like, man, I don't know if their dads had left them and went to get milk and never came back or what happened. But here's the advice. If you're going to pull start something, put it in high gear or at least 2nd to highest gear on the machine. The number one thing people do wrong with pull starting something is they try it in a low gear. Put that dude up in high gear. Like that little John Deere. My boy, it would just slide the back wheels when he was on it. So I got off the tractor. I said, put the John Deere in high gear. We did that, pulled about 10 feet, fired right up, fed the cows. Yeah, so you can use that advice sometime in your life, I promise you.